Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Vauxhall Mokka here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your ignition or engine is turned on. Then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, you're going to press the settings icon just underneath the time. Then go to options in the bottom left. Then top right, set time and dates. Then from here, you can click on the time there. You can have a 12-hour or 24-hour clock. You can synchronize it with your GPS, so the time is automatically done for you. But if you want to do it manually, press on the time, put in what you need, and then press back to set the time. And also for the date as well, you can change it, your door format from day, month and year there.